Well, this is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to launch the camera easily on your Xiaomi phone by double pressing the power button here. This is great to turn on. So you can see we have different options like double press the power button to turn on and launch the camera. So I also have this set to turn on the flashlight, so we can turn this on or off. Now, if we go to the top right and go to settings, we want to scroll on down to additional settings at the bottom. Go to gesture shortcuts, and then we can turn on launch camera right here. Double press the power button or double press the volume button down when the screen is locked. So you got two different options. So let's just turn on the first one. So I pressed it twice and the camera is launched. So let's do this again. Power button twice and the camera launches. So otherwise you can press the volume down button twice when the screen is locked. So you get two different options to quickly launch the camera, and maybe I'll do that because sometimes I don't like typing my password real quick. I just want to take a picture real quick, and having to swipe and do the things and get to the camera app can take like 2 or 3 seconds, and whatever you're trying to capture, it may have already passed. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your6 Studios.